Very quickly, let me show you how to put everything back in. Generally speaking, remember to put the heavier items in the panniers because they're lower to the ground compared to the top case or your duffel bag, and also try to put them towards the front of the panniers. Let's see. The battery suddenly died on me, but let's continue. Back to the books. And that is the right side. Let's put it back together. Mind you, I'm doing this with just one hand. Normally this actually goes even faster. Oh, wait a minute. There's the top and the bottom to this, to these other tools. Yeah. Oil. Spot. Slime pump. Those difficult items to fit as always. Dragonfly. Come on. Take the slime out to do that. Give me 1 second. Alright, look at it. There's a small gap here for the reed. I'm sorry, for the deets. And I have these that go in there. First goes the carb cleaner, then the bungee cords, then the brush. Oh, I forgot the glow sticks. And they go in there. And the motorcycle cover goes in the extra space, and amazingly, every time it fits. There, for the reassembly, I'm not going to, or putting it back together, I'm not going to show you how I put back the fuel bag. I'm going to shove everything back into the duffel bag, and then I will show you how to clip it back on. The way this duffel bag seals and becomes waterproof is by folding it over a couple of times. Normally this would latch onto here. In my case, I've got a little bit more stuff, but it works just as well. I tie the straps of the tent within the straps, inside of the straps for the duffel bag, just in case it gets loose on the road. It won't go anywhere. So, see here again, I have my backrest set up, and you just see, I'm going to show you how I clip on the straps. Here I am on the right side of the motorcycle, and this is one of those straps. And by pushing it and running it around, camera down just for a second. And sorry about that. And there, the strap connects. And of course, it's adjustable. So if I have more things or less things, I can adjust how tight I want to have the duffel bag. Then I have this extra bag, very easy. The carabiners attach on one end. Sorry, here you go. Attach to the attachment points on the pannier. It's very handy. And I attach the other one here. It's probably not the best way to do it, sorry, but it works. That's that. And the last item is the oil. Bungee cord is really the main force that that holds the gallon bottle down. The strap that I knit onto this duffel bag is a good extra security, and the final backup to keep it from falling are these handles of the plastic bags, which I run into the carabiner that is attached to the duffel bag. Like so. And this way this thing ain't going nowhere. And there you have it. The only thing that I did not pack at this point is my helmet and the jackets that I'm wearing right now. So again, with this beautiful view, I'm going to say goodbye to you. Please ride safe. Do everything that you need to prepare before doing this trip. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.